channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. And today I have a really fun project that was inspired by this hat. And I got this from Costco and it was like $8, I think. And it's so cute and I use it to garden with. And when I'm out in the sun, it keeps me protected. And I have had skin cancer on my nose, a basal cell carcinoma, so I want to be really careful when I'm outside. But I also have been wanting to make a crocheted hat so I can share with you guys a new pattern that I just made up. And the nice thing about this hat though is that you can put your glasses on right here on this band. Now I was thinking I could add the band on my hat and show you how to make that too. So I'm kind of looking to you guys to see what you want me to do with this hat that I'm going to show you. And it's so cute and you're going to love it. So let me show that to you right now. And I also was inspired by another crocheter, and her channel is called Sewrella. She has an adorable crocheted hat, and I'm going to put that link right here to her video, and you can go check that out. It will also be in my description box. And let me know if you want me to make this pattern for you guys. I made it, but I did not film any of it. So I'll have to make a new hat. But this is the hat that I came up with, and it is a sun hat. And Sewrella, hers is very similar, but it's just a little bit different stitching and stuff. But I just thought this was so cute. I made mine with 100% cotton yarn, and I got that at Walmart, I believe. I can link that in the description box. And I also have an Amazon store that you can look in there, and I'm sure the yarn, I'm going to look it up, but it'll be down there in the description box. So you can link to that as well, which will be a lot easier than going to Walmart. And anyway, this is so cute. You can throw it in the wash, and as you can see, you can bunch it up, put it in your purse or, you know, whatever, and it still holds its shape. It's really fun. There's no starch or anything. But because it's 100% cotton, it's a little bit, you know, stiffer, which is nice. And let me show you, there's this little spot right here, which tells me this is the back. And I just weaved in my ends right there. So I'm just going to show you, this is so cute. And hopefully it looks good. I don't have a mirror in front of me, but I just really love it. Now you can wear it in multiple ways, however you like to wear your hats. You can roll up the brim like that. How cute is that? And then you can also just wear it down flat like a sun hat. Like that. And what I really like about it is that you can accessorize it. So let me show you. So I found some fabrics that I had in my closet and some scarves. And I just thought this would be really fun. So I've had this for, I don't know, 30 years or something when all this was real popular. And it's a bathing suit fabric. It's really stretchy. But I didn't cut it or anything because it's already kind of long. So you can use any sort of scarf or rectangle that you want. So you're just going to take it and you're going to fold it down just like that. And you're just going to make it, you know, somewhat skinny. Then you're just going to tie it like this, just like that. And you can tie it in a somewhat kind of a knot, like that. Hopefully that looks cute. I haven't looked in a mirror. What do you think? And then if you want to change it, all you're gonna have to do is take it off, and then you can add, you know, another, let me see. Oh, here's another scarf. So this is a big scarf that I got when I was in Italy, and I've never known what to do with it. So what you can do is you can take it long ways, or you can take it, you know, in a square or whatever. And then you're just going to roll it down, just like this. Okay, it takes me a minute. Sorry about that. I hope you guys are liking this hat. I think it's super cute. So just let me know if you want the pattern, because it's going to take me a while to make the video. So just let me know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you're just going to lay it here. Again, you're just going to tie it like that. Just adjust your hat. So you just tuck it in. I think I probably should have had a mirror and it would probably look better, but you get the idea. Just like that. And then let me show you just another few things. So here's another scarf, and this is just a long rectangle. And my mom passed away a few years ago, and my dad brought me all her scarves, so I have tons of scarves that I can use. And if it's long enough, you can tie a bow. So let's see if this one works. Again, I don't have a mirror, so you can just do it like that. Like this if you want. So hopefully that looks cute. Also, you know, like I said, you could wear this up. So you can wear it like that. Or if you want, you can do like, you know, the one-sided look, whatever you want, like a safari hat. You could also just pull this down and wear it again in the sun hat style. But it holds its shape pretty well, as you can see. So I'm very excited about this. So this is the Loopy Yarn that you can find at Joann's or whatever. And I'll put a link to that too if you'd like to use this. But with this one, all you're going to do is take it around like this. And then you're just going to tuck it in. Wherever you can. And it will give you kind of like a fluffy, you know, band like this, which would be really cute. And I think that, you know, it's just an easy look. I mean, and it's really fun. So what you can also do is take crocheted flowers. My mom actually crocheted these and my dad brought them to me, which are really cute. So I thought you could always add a little flower to your hat if you want, you know, whatever color that suits you. I've made these other flowers, which are like this, and I think I have a video on these that I used on a little phone holder, so I'll link that too if you want to learn how to make these flowers. But see, you can just put them on there and add whatever you like. You can use fake flowers, you can use real flowers. It would be so cute in a photo shoot. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that this is the yarn that I used, and I believe this is Peaches and Cream from Walmart, and it comes on a cone. It's about $10, I think, and this is how much I have left after doing this. So I'm going to show you a few more things real quick before we go. And here is one of my favorite looks. This is a belt from a jean jacket. You're just going to take the belt like that, and you can use any sort of belt that you want. This is adorable. I love it. And the other thing I wanted to show you too is you can take any sort of pin or brooch that you have and you can just pin it to the band, or, you know, like this, these really tiny little ones. But you can do so many different things with this hat. And here's another idea. So this was also my mom's, and that is my mom in that picture over there, and that's a sketch of her. So she's in this room with me every day, and as I'm crafting, I always think about her because we used to do so many things together, lots of crafts and shopping and stuff like that. So I definitely miss her, but her memory lives on with all of the things that I get to do on this channel, which is really exciting for me. And this was hers. She used to wear it in her hair. And it has a little pin on it, and you can just pin it right to the hat. That would be so cute. And then she also, this was another scarf of hers that my dad brought, and she used to wear this thing all the time. So this would be a really fun thing to wear because, of course, you know, this never goes out of style. And this is just a really fun one. It's real long, so you just wind it up like that, put it on. That's super cute. I like this one too. So as you can see, there's endless possibilities to wear your hat, like whichever way you like. And I know you're gonna love this. And it's really easy to make. Oh, before we go, I just wanted to share real quick too that I took this hat and I laid this one on top of it. And look, it took the shape of this, like a fedora. So you could also wear it like that. And you know, as long as you're not touching it all the time, it's probably gonna stay. So it looks so cute, it's so versatile, and I'm so excited. So let me know if you guys like this video. Please let me know if you want me to teach you how to make this. This could be my next video that I make, and I could have that up next week. So just let me know if you like it or not. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this with your friends because I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless. Take care. Bye.